Assalamu alaikum, this is Sharik Sheikh back with suitable programming solutions for you guys. Firstly, if you haven't watched the previous video, I suggest you to watch it. The link is in the description. And moving on, what we are going to do today is we are going to learn about why do we use DTO and what is DTO. It is actually a design pattern conceived to reduce the number of calls when working with remote interfaces. For example, you have a bank account, right? We were communicating with the RESTful API that exposes your bank account. In this situation, instead of issuing multiple requests to check the current status of a particular bank account and get the latest transaction of the bank account, the bank could expose an endpoint that returns DTO summarizing everything. For instance, you have a user. A user can have multiple addresses, and an address could be like permanent address, current address, billing address, shipping address, whatsoever. So I have a working example here of a user. User can have multiple addresses. As you can see, I have made a one-to-many relationship with the user account. And in the address table, I have assigned that particular user from many-to-one relationship. Now we're using a transient annotation here just to reference that particular user account instead of calling the user object inside the address object. So you can understand it better. Just run it for you guys. Okay, the application has started now. You call the API. You can see the function is calling itself recursively. Recursive call made by the user object here. We have a user object followed by an address, followed by a user object, followed by an address, and so on. To deal with this, we use the design pattern called data transfer object. Apart from this, we can actually solve it using the JSON managed reference annotation. Okay, this is the reason I have printed that, so you can understand it better. Call API. Boom, there you go. To avoid all the hassle of the DTO, and you can actually achieve this using the JSON managed reference annotation. Anyhow, see you in another video on how to implement data transfer object in Mapper and SpringBoot. Thank you so much.